Hey guys, it's John with Buckel, John Buckel, and this is my girlfriend Kim.
Hey,
I would really like to talk about the Giannis Antetoumpo situation in Milwaukee. My girlfriend might know what I'm talking about. Giannis is not okay with not playing. The GM and owners and anyone in Milwaukee does not want him to play. Especially, it sounds like, and correct me if I'm wrong, but it sounds like they think that he doesn't want to play with his brother in Milwaukee. And I'm going to ask my girlfriend what she thinks of that because I have a really good feeling that she's going to say that's probably not right of them to say. But go ahead. What's your take on it,
he
babe?
pretty much nailed it. It's not right who they get to pick to play with, and um, they really just can't pick.
Especially if it's his brother.
hmm
His brother is family. I don't know why they would even think of that scenario in Milwaukee. So, like I said earlier, Giannis is wanting to play in Milwaukee. He does not want to play in Milwaukee. I would like we would like to know what your guys' opinion is down below. Again, subscribe down there or wherever the subscribe button is and give us some feedback. Again, this is John with Buckle Up with John Buckle, and
This is his girlfriend, Kimberly Kuhns.
that is my girlfriend, like she said. And we will see you in the next video. Thank you guys.
Peace.
There you go.